Hello friends, this is Arslan. I've already done the unboxing so I can give a better review and can tell you its actual pros and cons. In the box, you get one Optoma projector, remote control, power cable, user manual, CD, and HDMI cable. When I bought it, I got two 3D glasses and one Xiaomi TV box for free. If you want to know more about this TV box, please write in comment box and I will make a new video about it. Friends, this Optoma HD27 comes in white color and has 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution with 3200 lumens. This means you can use this projector without turning off the light, but as I experienced, if you really want to enjoy the real crisp of this projector, you have to use it in dark room. You can get 300-inch screen from this powerful projector, and this comes in only $700. On the front, you can see this focus ring. As you move from the projection wall, the display becomes blurry, and this ring helps you to adjust and clear the display. Beside it, there is a small hole is to capturing the remote signal. If we see on the back side, we find one power port, two HDMI ports, one USB port, one 3D sync, and one audio output. That means you can connect two devices at the same time, but you can use only one at a time. You can also use this projector with USB device, and the 3D sync port helps you to get a high resolution lagless gaming experience by attaching it with any console or PC. You can attach external speakers using this audio port. Although this projector has its own 10-watt speakers, but having a 4K display and having a low quality sounds doesn't make sense at all. So you have to use external speakers to get the real experience like cinema. On the side, you can see this sticker. Beneath it, you find a screw, which you open when you need to change the bulb of this projector. The lifespan of this projector bulb is 8,000 hours, which means if you use this projector for 2 hours every day, you have 10 years bulb life, which you can extend it if you use this projector in eco mode, which is pretty awesome. On top, you find another ring, which is for zooming purposes. You get 1.1x zoom only, which is very short. You have to mount this projector far from the projection screen to get a bigger display. You can also see few buttons on top, which you can use in case you use your remote. Here is the remote. You can see so many buttons, which is very good. You can use directly many options from here. Everything is very user-friendly, and you don't have to go to settings to find every single option. Another best part of this remote is finally having a backlight option, which so many other projectors are currently lacking. This one small feature saves you from a lot of effort. You can use this remote without any trouble in a fully dark room, and even I use its light as a torch sometime. Now let me show you the real display of this projector. As I am playing it on my room's wall, which is bit off-white, but still you can see the colors how vivid and bright they are. When I bought this, I wasn't expecting such good display, because normally projectors having 4K display, their price range is more than $1,000, but this one comes only under $700. This projector is a bit noisy, and if you stand next to it, you can easily hear the noise. Let me show you how much noise it produces. This isn't a very big problem because usually you will hang it on wall far from your sitting area and you won't hear any noise from this projector. So guys, this projector in my view is worth buying. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and for any question write me in the comments area. Thanks.